These images depict the struggles that I've had with acne over the years. For so many years, I've had to deal with blemishes, pimples, and all forms of acne on my face. And I've tried every product on the shelf, and sometimes they seem to help, but most times these pimples come back looking even more terrible than before. So in this video, I am going to be showing you guys which basic kitchen products I used to get rid of my acne. And those are coffee and honey. I'm also going to be demonstrating how I apply these products weekly on my face. So what you want to do is take a teaspoon of coffee. Actually, you can use any brand of coffee as long as it's consumable. And add a teaspoon of honey to it and mix both products up until you get a very smooth texture. And go ahead and wash your face with lukewarm water. Dab your face with a clean towel and you're ready to apply your mixture. Cover your entire face with the mixture, scrubbing it gently for a few minutes. Once done, leave it on your face for at least another 10 minutes. After that time, rinse your face with warm water until there is no residue of honey or coffee left behind on your face. So at this point, you should immediately be able to feel an added elasticity on your skin. Wipe your face with a clean towel and apply a mild lotion, gently massaging it into your skin. So if you're also struggling with acne, I would suggest you do this 2 to 4 times a week until you start to notice a difference. So once you start to notice that the acne on your face is reducing, you could also bring down the number of times to every week. So you guys, this routine has personally helped me a lot. I used to have lots of bumps and pimples on my face, which really affected my self-confidence. I could hardly ever go out without wearing heavy makeup to try as much as possible to cover up the roughness. But ever since I started to use these natural products, I now hardly ever have new pimples growing out of my face. And the best part of it is that I now can actually go out without even having to worry about wearing makeup. So I really hope that this tutorial is going to help someone out there, and also make sure to drop me a comment if it works for you. So please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful and informative, and also please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you on my next video.